We have provided an exercise to practice processing a file that contains comma-separated values. In the exercise, it says that the history teacher needs help in grading a true-false test. The student's ID and test answers are stored in a file called answers.txt. And this is the sample data inside the file. It says that the exam has 20 true and false questions, and the file has unknown number of entries. Now, entries are records. When we say unknown number of entries, it means we depend on end of file when we read the records line by line. The first entry in the file contains the key answers to the test in the form true, false, so T for true and F for false. So the first line inside the file is the key solution as an answer for the true and false questions. Now every other entry, which is every other record in the file, is the student ID, followed by a comma, followed by the student responses, the student answers. For example, the entry 20094355, this is the ID, comma, and here is the answer for the students for the 20 questions. You need to write a program that reads the student answers and compare the student answers with the key solution and display his or her mark on the output screen. So what you need to do? First, you need to read the first line as the key solution, and then you read the responses for each student and compare it with the key solution. If there is a match in any question, you add one. And then at the end, you display the total matches for all questions as the mark for the student.